Make a great choice today with the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.